In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with Manychat in just 5 minutes. Manychat is a fantastic platform for building chatbots that can automate and enhance your messaging experiences. Whether you're connecting with customers on Facebook, Instagram, or other social platforms, Manychat offers a streamlined process to get you started quickly. Let's dive into how you can get set up and start building your first bot. First, open your browser and head over to the Manychat website. You can easily do this by entering Manychat into your search engine or directly typing in the URL app.manychat.com, https://app.manychat.com. Once you arrive on the landing page, you'll see the option to sign in. Click on this sign in button to access your account. It's important to have your login credentials handy, as you'll need them to proceed further. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Manychat homepage. This dashboard is essentially the command center of your bot building activities, providing you with a comprehensive overview of your projects. Now find the section labeled Home on the dashboard. Clicking here will help you familiarize yourself with the different features and tools you have at your disposal to design and manage your chatbots. Next, you will need to navigate to the Channels section. Channels are the platforms you'll use to connect with your audience, and Manychat offers a variety of options including Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Find the Channels option on your dashboard and give it a click. Here, you'll notice all the channels available for you to select and link your bot to. Pick the channel that best suits your business needs and click on it. Now comes the exciting part, connecting your channel. By selecting a channel, you'll be prompted to connect it to Manychat by following the given instructions. This step may involve authorizing Manychat to access your social media account, so be sure to have your account details ready for a smooth connection. With everything set, you're on your way to utilizing your first Manychat automated conversation. Once you've successfully connected your channel, look for the automation option. Automation is where the magic happens, allowing you to craft specific sequences and responses your bot will use to engage with users. Click on Automation, then on New Automation to start creating a flow that matches your strategy and audience needs. This interface is intuitive, letting you visualize and build your automation scenarios step by step. Following these straightforward steps will establish your Manychat environment, ready to automate interactions and connect with customers like never before. Dive into the creative process of customizing your bot and ensure you test it thoroughly to provide a seamless user experience. Thanks for watching and happy bot building on Manychat.